It began with a whisper, a rumor among the world's scientists. Deep in a hidden laboratory, a new substance was born. Its power was unlike anything ever seen. Those who first glimpsed its effects were silent, awestruck, and afraid. The world outside remained unchanged for a moment. But soon the news spread. Governments, militaries, and corporations all wanted to know, what was this mysterious new force? The air seemed to crackle with tension. People wondered if the future would be brighter, or far more dangerous. The substance did not look extraordinary. It was a small, silvery metal, almost innocent in appearance. Yet, in the right hands, or the wrong ones, it could change the fate of nations. It could end cities in a single instant. This was plutonium. Created by human hands, it was the most dangerous substance ever made. Its discovery would forever alter the course of history. Plutonium is a man-made element. It does not exist naturally in the Earth's crust. Scientists created it in the 1940s during the race to build the first atomic bomb. Its atoms are unstable. They break apart, releasing enormous energy in seconds. This energy is unlike anything else. A single kilogram of plutonium can destroy an entire city. The explosion is blinding, the heat unbearable, the shockwave unstoppable. But the danger does not end there. The substance is also highly radioactive. Even a tiny speck, inhaled or touched, can cause deadly cancer. Why is plutonium so dangerous? It is both a poison and a weapon. It remains deadly for thousands of years. It seeps into air, water, and soil, poisoning everything it touches. Its silent, invisible rays can kill without warning. Handling plutonium is like holding a sleeping dragon. One mistake, and disaster follows. That is why so few people have ever seen it, and why those who work with it must be fearless and careful beyond belief. History is filled with stories of plutonium's deadly power. In 1945, the world saw its first atomic bombs. Hiroshima and Nagasaki were destroyed in an instant. The cities burned and the world was changed forever. Thousands died in seconds. Many more suffered from radiation sickness for years. But accidents happened too. In 1946, at Los Alamos Laboratory, a scientist named Louis Slotin was demonstrating how to handle plutonium. His hand slipped. The core went critical. A blue flash filled the room. Slotin died in agony days later. His colleagues were exposed, scarred for life. There were disasters at nuclear plants as well. In 1957, a fire at the Windscale plant in England released plutonium into the air. Hundreds of square miles were contaminated. Even today, the land is not safe. The Chernobyl disaster in 1986, though caused by uranium, released plutonium as well. It poisoned the Earth for generations. Each accident was a warning. Plutonium is not just a tool, it is a force of nature barely contained by human hands. Why did scientists create such a dangerous substance? The answer is both hope and fear. In World War II, nations raced to build the most powerful weapon. They believed it would end the war, and it did. But the world paid a terrible price. Scientists who worked with plutonium risked their lives every day. They wore heavy suits, worked behind thick glass, and followed strict rules. Even so, accidents claimed many lives. Today, handling plutonium requires the highest level of caution. Robots and remote tools do most of the work. One mistake could mean disaster. The lesson is clear. Science is powerful. It can bring light or darkness. With every discovery comes responsibility. We must respect the forces we unleash. We must use knowledge wisely. For in the hands of humanity, the most dangerous substance ever created is a reminder. Some powers should never be taken lightly.